Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to cut right through all the hype and get to the real story behind one of the hottest topics in health, stem cells. Let's just dive right in. I mean, you've seen the ads, right? Stem cell creams that promise to just erase your wrinkles. Injections that are supposed to make you feel 20 again. There are even capsules that claim to supercharge your health from the inside out. But is any of that for real? Can they actually do that? Well, that's what we're going to find out. So, let's start with the big question. Where is all this excitement coming from? Why all of a sudden are stem cells the talk of the town when it comes to, staying young and healthy? These ads have really put stem cells on the map, and they've created this powerful mix of hope and, let's be honest, a whole lot of confusion. They're sold as this kind of miracle cure, but the actual science is, well, it's way more fascinating and a little more complex. Okay, to really get what's going on, you have to understand this one crucial thing. Not all stem cells are the same, not even close. There are two totally different types, and knowing the difference is, well, it's everything. So first up, you've got embryonic stem cells. Just think of these as the ultimate master cells. When you and I were just tiny little embryos, these were the cells that built our entire bodies from scratch. Our heart, our brain, our bones, every single part of us. Their potential is basically limitless. And here's where the comparison really matters. On one side, you have these embryonic stem cells with this incredible, almost sci-fi power to become anything. But that power, it comes with some massive risks, like the potential to form tumors and, of course, some really big ethical debates. That's exactly why you're not finding these in any cream or supplement. But then, on the other side, you have adult stem cells. And these are the ones living inside you right this second. They're like your body's own personal 24/7 repair crew. That's right. You don't have to go looking for stem cells in some fancy clinic or an expensive jar of cream. You already have a powerful, dedicated team of them working inside of you, around the clock. So let's take a look at what they're actually doing. Every single day, your adult stem cells are pulling off these little miracles. Right now, they're replacing the entire lining of your gut. They're in your bone marrow, just churning out fresh red and white blood cells. They're even giving you a whole new layer of skin every few weeks. They are the fundamental reason your body can heal and just keep itself going. And this is just incredible. For a long time, we thought the adult brain was fixed, but it's not. Your brain has stem cells too, and every single day they are busy making brand new neurons, the very cells you need to form memories and learn new skills. So think about it. Every new thing you learn is literally powered by these amazing little guys. Okay, so if our bodies already have this built-in repair crew, what's next? Well, this is where the science gets really exciting. Researchers are now figuring out how to work with these cells to completely revolutionize medicine. And their work really comes down to three main areas. First, they use stem cells as a model to understand how diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's actually happen at the cellular level. Second, they're used to test new drugs to see if they're safe and if they actually work. And then there's the really futuristic stuff, like tissue engineering, which is basically growing brand new organs in a lab to one day, hopefully, end the transplant shortage. Now, this is all amazing, but what does it mean for us, like right now? Well, here's the best part. You don't have to wait for some futuristic medical breakthrough. You can actually start supporting your own stem cells today. And this is the real takeaway. Forget all the expensive, unproven treatments you see online. The real power to boost your body's natural healing system is in your hands, through simple things you can do every day. It's all about working with the incredible biology you already have. And the evidence for this is it's stunning. In one famous study, scientists looked at the brains of mice, and what they found was that the mice who got to run on a wheel had brains that were just buzzing with activity. Their stem cells were way more active, and they were producing way more new neurons than the mice that just sat around all day. So, what do you think that means for us? It means that the single most powerful, scientifically backed strategy for boosting the health and activity of your stem cells, especially the ones in your brain, costs exactly this much. Zero. Nothing. It's just exercise. A simple, powerful tool that is completely 100% free. So you have this amazing biological repair crew inside you, on standby, just waiting to keep you healthy and sharp. The only real question is, what are you going to do today to help them do their job? Thanks so much for joining me.